Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, paghingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about rational and irrational. Okay, so rational and irrational numbers. So, i-define muna natin yung rational numbers. Rational numbers is any number that can be expressed as the ratio of two integers. Okay? That is A over B. Dapat ma-express yung ano natin, yung number. Any number or variable. Ha? Okay, so example, 4/5 and 2 and 2/3. Si 2 and 2/3, ma-express natin yan into 8 over 3. Okay? Kasi pwede mong i-multiply yan, tapos plus 2. Okay, so that is 8 over 3. Another example ng rational number, okay, 6 can be expressed in 6 over 1. Kasi lahat ng mga whole number ay mayroong over 1 yan. So, mga rational number yan. Another example, negative 3. So, that is negative 3 over 1. 2.7, that is 27 over 10. So, decimal can be expressed also in fraction form. Diba? Kung change natin decimal to fraction. Na-discuss na natin yan sa ating previous topics. 0.7, that is 7 over 10. 0.625, that is 5 over 8. Mga example ng mga rational numbers ito. 34.56, that is 3456 over 100. Okay. 0.3, that is 1 over 3. 0.27, that is 3 over 11. Okay. So, 0.142857, that is 1 over 7. So, those are examples of rational numbers. Another example, show that terminating decimal below are rational numbers. So, 0.6, that is equal to 6 over 10. 3.8, that is equal to 38 over 10. 56.1, that is equal to 561 over 10. 3.45, that is 345 over 100. And 2.157, that is 2157 over 1,000. So, lahat yan ay ma-express in A over B. So, by looking at the previous example, you can spot a quick method of determining the rational number for any given repeating decimal. 0.3, that is 3 over 9. Pwede mo pang i-reduce yan to lowest term. 0.45, that is 45 over 99. Okay. 0.273, that is 273 over 99. 999. And 0.1234, that is 1234 over 9999. So, write the repeating part of the decimal as the numerator and write the denominator as a sequence of nines with the same number of digits as the numerator, then simplify where necessary. Next, write down the rational form for each of the repeating decimals below. 0.32. 32. Ibig sabihin yan, ano pa yan? Meron pang 32 yan. Another 32. So, that is 32 over 99. 0.7, that is 7 over 9. 1543, that is yan, 1543 over 999. Yan. So, rational and irrational numbers. Irrational, ano yung parang yung ibig sabihin ng irrational numbers? So, irrational numbers or irrational number is any number that cannot be expressed as the ratio of two integers. So, hindi siya ma-express in the ratio of two integers, yung A over B. So, kahit anong gawin natin, hindi talaga siya ma-express. Okay? The history of irrational numbers begins with a discovery by Pythagorean school in ancient Greece. A member of the school discovered that the diagonal of a unit square could not be expressed as the ratio of any two whole numbers. The motto of the school was all is number, by which they meant whole numbers. Pythagoras believed in the absoluteness of whole numbers and could not accept the discovery. The member of the group that made it was Hippasus, and he was sentenced to death by drowning. Okay, see 19/20 for more history. Okay, next tayo. So, irrational number is any number that cannot be expressed as the ratio of two integers. Surds are irrational. Ano pala yung surds? Numbers. We can simplify numbers such as in square root of 1/4 equals 1/2. Okay? And the cube root of 1/27 is 1/3 into rational numbers. So, yung square root of 1/4, that is equal to 1/2. Kasi pag i-simplify natin yan, square root of 1, that is square root of 4, that is, square root of 1 is 1, kasi 1 times 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is 2. That's why nagiging 1/2 yan. Dito, cube root. Yung cube root niya, cube root of 1 is 1. The cube root of 27 is 3. Kasi 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27. Okay? However, other numbers involving roots such as those shown cannot be reduced to rational numbers. Okay? Ito na yung meaning ng surds. Any number of the form, the nth root of m, which cannot be written as the rational number, is called a surd. Okay? Surd. Other irrational numbers include Euler's number. Okay? Okay, all irrational numbers are non-terminating. So, mga non-terminating, yung walang katapusang decimal yan, and non-repeating decimals. Their decimals expansion form shows no pattern whatsoever. Okay, that's mga irrational numbers yan. Rational and irrational numbers. Example, questions. Show that the square root of 3 times square root of 12 is rational. Because square root, i-multiply natin yan, that is square root of 36, di ba? So, square root of 36 is 6. So, rational number. Okay, same pa rin yan. Then, letter B, show that square root of 45 over square root of 5 is rational. Okay, paano siya? So, square root of 45 over square root of 5, that is equal to, okay, divide na lang natin diretso. 45 divided by 5, that is 9. Or square root of 9. Square root of 45 divided by square root of 5, that is square root of 9. Square root of 9, that is equal to 3. So, that is rational. Another example. State whether each of the following are rational or irrational. First, letter A. So, multiply natin yan. Square root of 6 times square root of 7. That is square root of 42. And that is, anong sagot? Irrational. Kasi nga, hindi sila perfect square. Bungkig. Okay? What about this one? Square root of 20, multiply natin kay square root of 5. That is square root of 100. Diba? Square root of 100, that is 10. So, that is irrational. Rational sa rational. Perfect siya, perfect square. What about letter C? Multiply mo yan, 27 times 3. Okay, so, that is rational. Okay, 27 times 3, 1. 21, di ba? So, 81. So, 81, square root of 81, that is 9. So, rational siya. Ito, square root of 12. So, wala tayong square root of 12. So, that is irrational number. What about this one? Square root of 32 divided by square root of 8. that is square root of 4. Square root of 4, that is 2. So, rational. What about this one? Square root of 44 divided by square root of 11. That is square root of 4. Then, 2 yung result niya. Rational number. Okay, this one, square root of 18 divided by square root of 2, that is square root of 9. Then, that is equal to 3. So, rational. Letter H, square root of 25. Oh, divide natin sa square root of 5, that is square root of 5. It's rational. So, that is irrational number. Combining rationals and irrational, determine whether the following are rational or irrational. 0.73. Na-discuss na natin ito sa kanina. So, that is rational number. Square root of 2, hindi siya rational. So, that is irrational. 0.666. Repeating decimal yan. Rational. Okay. Next, 3 point. Rational pa rin. Letter E, irrational. Okay, so, sagutin nyo ang letter F hanggang letter L. At paki-comment na lang sa ating comment section. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless.